Hey, welcome back. So, we have reached at the end of our Python journey together, right? So, in this course, we have learned about Python from the very beginning to the advanced level. I sincerely hope that you have learned so many things from this course. Okay, I really hope that. And to be frankly honest, I have poured my heart and soul to making this Python course on YouTube. Okay, I hope that that will be very beneficial for you to learn Python programming. Now, the question is, what is next? So, we have learned about Python, the basics and the advanced concepts here, right? So, now you are totally prepared to learn some specific thing. In case if you want to learn the backend development with Python, then your choices must be Django or FastAPI. In case if you want to learn about machine learning and AI, you can do that as well. Okay. In case if you want to learn to build about desktop applications with Python, you can do that as well by using the tkinter package basically. So you have the basic and the advanced foundations about Python here. Okay. So that is totally awesome. And you should be good to go to learn more advanced things, something like the backend development or something like machine learning, AI, or other things which you can do with Python. Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you so much for going through all of the codes here on YouTube. Okay. And in case if you have some sort of a question or suggestions, you can ask or tell that inside of the comment section of the each videos. Okay. Awesome. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.